What's good, marvelous DJs? Welcome back to the Cheat Code. Did I ever tell you about the time a parent of a young, inspiring DJ asked me what they needed to get started? My first response was a laptop. And then they asked, can she use this? This mini laptop is actually a Chromebook. Let's talk about what you can't and can do. Cheat Code. Alright, so let's get started. Chromebooks are popular for the affordability and simplicity, but when it comes to running professional DJ software like Serato DJ Pro, they fall short. And let me tell you why. Chromebook runs on Chrome OS, which is a lightweight web-based operating system. Unfortunately, Serato DJ Pro is designed for Windows and Mac OS platforms, and it doesn't support the Chrome operating system. Chromebooks typically have less processing power compared to Windows and Mac machines. DJ software like Serato DJ Pro is resource intensive, and Chromebooks often lack the necessary power to run it smoothly. Chromebooks are designed with limited storage space as they rely heavily on cloud storage. DJing requires a significant amount of local storage for your music library, which can quickly fill up a Chromebook's hard drive. Many DJ controllers and audio interfaces require specific drivers to function properly. These drivers are usually available for Windows and Mac OS, but not for Chrome OS, making it difficult to use your DJ gear with a Chromebook. So what are some cost-efficient alternatives if you're on a budget but still want to run Serato DJ Pro? Here are a few options. Budget Windows laptops. There are plenty of affordable Windows laptops that meet the recommended specs for Serato DJ Pro. Look for models with at least a 6th generation dual-core Intel i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 3000 series processor, 8 GB or higher RAM, and 15 GB or more of spare local disk space. Solid-state drives preferred, and that's a me thing. If you prefer Mac OS, consider buying a refurbished MacBook. These can be a great way to get a high-quality machine at a lower price. Look for models with a dual-core Intel i5 MacBook Pro or Apple Silicon M1 for 2017 or later, with 8 GB or higher RAM and 15 GB or more of spare local disk space, again, solid-state drives. The last option is DJ controllers. Some DJ controllers come with built-in screens and performance software, eliminating the need for a laptop. These all-in-one systems can be a cost-effective solution for DJs who want a complete setup without the hassle of multiple devices. So if you have one of these, I'm sorry, you can't use a Chromebook at this time to run Serato DJ Pro. But I will tell you this, I have a lot of smart friends out there in the tech world. If you can figure out how to hack one of these to run Serato DJ Pro, hit me up so I can showcase you on the next episode of Cheat Code. Get to hacking. Figure it out for my new DJs out there who really are inspired and want to learn how to DJ. Figure out how to get Serato DJ Pro on a Chromebook and come holler at me. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video helps you find the right setup for your DJ needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more DJ cheat codes. Keep spinning those tracks and stay creative. Until next time, stay marvelous.